Okay, let's check this out. This is ChatGPT generation, right? Pretty long page, and this is Claude Design. Claude Code, yeah, no, not Claude Code. I provided all the assets separately, and like this is the result. Also, I've provided this asset originally, but it was a bit different, and I had to extract this and this from this page separately. Right. Oh, and I've totally forgot about these assets. Yeah, I will need to include them as well. Right. So let's see the difference. We have a logo and all the stuff here, and pretty similar, right? Next we have this whole thing. Oh, it's different, like, right? Well, I do like it here, but the text is better here with highlight. Let's say enters launch, meet the gatekeeper. Yeah, different color as well. Let's see what else is different. Okay, so the wheel is correctly placed here. Yeah, and it matches the assets that I provided. Next, gatekeeper, all good. Next, we have contributions, exchange, and the spins, right? So let's see what else, what we have here. Oh, okay, so yeah, it's pretty different. Right. Yeah, this is also different. Well, it did what it could. I really like this one, to be honest. Yeah, let's see. And yeah, this is an asset, so it's good. Well, yeah, like it's pretty different. Less taste, I would say. Let's see here, mobile version. Well, mobile version is pretty good. Yeah. So let's see if we can fix at least something. Oh wait, what can I even fix here? Oh, okay, so this part, right? Let's pause and I will ask Claude Design. So let's see. I'm saying please fix this part. Design is completely different from what you generated for that section. And the section is this, right? And it should look like this. Let's do it. Alright, while it generates, I will pause. Alright, I think it's done. So reminder, this is how it should look. And oh my god. So it just decided to rewrite the whole asset instead of using the picture. Yeah, this is not very good. But maybe I was asking it too much, because like I just pasted the whole page and I expected it to work. Well, not yet, I guess. I guess we can try Stitch, right? But this is an existing design system that I'm using for the websites, right? So it knows the fonts, etc., etc. Yeah, I don't really want to transfer. Okay, I guess we need to kinda do it one step at a time. Maybe we will transfer it to Claude Code, to be honest, and skip the whole thing. So it's much easier, and we have already a setup there. Вот, кстати, oh, Russian, right. Here's, by the way, a website, the app. Right, so this is dashboard, and this is some dummy crap. Then you go into the chat and communicate with the goddess to well, discuss and negotiate contributions or offerings that you can offer to her. Right, so for example, you offer 20 push-ups and you get 2 spins for it. Then you go to the wheel, you spin the wheel and get points. Once you have points, you can discuss with the goddess if she will exchange them like points for items that you really like, that you previously negotiated with her and decided on the price. So for example, like what is this, game night, I guess. Yeah, 10 points, and kinda you need a lot of spins to win 10 points, given that we even have zeros, etc. You also have the log and also the profile that the goddess keeps of you, and she is aware that it's visible to you. Yeah, pretty much. And we have like the PC version as well. Right, so here's our dashboard. I didn't work much on it yet, but yeah, the wheel, the chat, and the chat has like speaking and live version. We also have contributions, exchange. I need to rename it into the rewards and offerings. Let's see what else. Action log, yeah, this, and profile, of course. That's pretty much it. Right, so you come in, you negotiate, decide on pricings, and then hope that this will be able to hack your brain into doing stuff, like to have it more fun, right? And to have some accountability from AI. I guess AI is a accountability body.